Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Disconnect the light from the panel. Using a 7/32 socket, remove the two bolts securing the filter cover. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1136C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the bolts. Reconnect the footwell light. Reinstall the footwell panel by matching the tabs with their catch. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.